So Dan's just finishing putting the rain guards on the underside of the hood. And when will you be installing this hood?
Now.
So what was the change that made you want to put this hood on versus...
I thought the hood was going to be way too aggressive for the stock body, and my car's not lowered, not on wheels, not nothing. But I went on a car cruise yesterday, and there was a guy with an AP1 who had the Mugen hood, which is a very similar style to this hood, and he had stock wheels. Car wasn't lowered, looked pretty damn good, so I'm gonna put mine on.
I'm telling you what, I would, if it were my car, and I've said this 1,000 times, it's not, but if it were my car, I would want to see what it looks like on the car. Like, I just want to see it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
What is this, dude?
It's a hole.
It is indeed a hole. Hold on, dude. Tell them what we're doing.
Putting the carbon hood on.
Sweet.
Here's Dan.
Dan's here.
I heard the diesel.
Yep, Dan's here.
Loosen the bottom one. Loosen all four. Yeah, just pop it. Good. Now loosen the other side to where you can.
Oh. What's up, Dan? Yeah.
What's up, bro? It's all good. How you doing, man?
Dad.
Greg, Dan's father.
He's got a good name.
Yeah, absolutely. Is that dinner? Red Bull and a cigarette?
Yeah.
Pretty much. That's always dinner. Now.
Alright. Those are loose.
Up a little bit so I get the hood prop out. No, not up like that. Like down and then.
The prop goes towards you.
Yeah, no kidding. There it goes.
Alright, so. Okay. Just lay that in the grass.
No, watch.
Oh, there you go.
This is what they do at shows with S2000.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at that. There's a hood off shot. Hood's on the roof.
Alright.
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Danny, grab this hood. We're throwing it all on.
Oh my god, this is so much heavier than the carbon one.
Not that much heavier though. It's twice the weight.
It's exactly twice the weight.
Like we're ready?
Yeah, this is going. Well, unless we need to lower that. I don't know if we need to lower that or not.
I would try it without.
What do you think, Dan?
Honestly, the best way to do it.
Do you think we need to lower
Like
that latch?
when I saw it in the video, he put it on. He puts it up. He puts the hood prop in,
He puts it on the hood.
and then he sits it on there.
I'm sure he also didn't have 4 people helping him hold
No,
it.
he had one person.
No, he had two. He had two.
No, in the one video he does it by himself.
Yes, you're right. You're in the one video he did it by himself. All right, so we're gonna lay this here.
Hold on.
Bring this in. We prop the hood. Danny, you hold the hood. Yep. Would you lose the thing under?
Yep.
That's deep.
No, I got it. We're good.
What was that? The bolt?
Go behind the battery.
It's behind the battery. Don't stick your eye in the battery.
What'll be the first time?
Works for Subaru. Anyone got a magnet?
I need your
You
hand.
know
No,
what?
I need your hand.
You know what's
Yeah.
funny?
I know where it is.
There,
See where go in between the washer, right here, and it's right down in the bottom corner.
Hold the hood.
Oh, I see it. Hold on.
I don't have small
I have
hands.
little girl's hands.
There you go.
And I'm not ashamed to admit it.
I thought that was Brooks' car.
No, it's my mom's car. You got it? Wow.
Winner, chicken
Okay,
dinner,
nice.
G. Yeah, no, your hands are like baseball mitts, bro.
Where'd that washer go?
It's right there. See it? Hold on.
Yep.
Got it? Yeah, that was a pretty good fitment right there. Sweet. All right, let's lower it.
See if
See how she fits. Nice and easy. The moment of truth. It's gonna have to come down, that thing. Right?
No, it's got to come up.
It's gotta come up.
Give it a
If you
whirl.
pull it up, it'll bring this mechanism up, which will allow it to go down further. It'll allow the hood to drop further.
Coming again.
Nice.
What do you think?
Fucking sweet. Alright, we gotta move it a smidge.
Okay, so the gap here is like, I don't know, a quarter, 5/16.
Could you think
And
since
the
it's
gap
carbon
here
that
is
it might
like
just
an
work a
eighth.
little bit? No.
So
You just see it's not.
the hood's just gotta shift a little bit that way, but we're not sure.
I got a Dremel. We can do it. Now it needs the top and the trunk.
Yeah.